If Google Chrome is using too much memory on Windows, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help reduce RAM usage and make your browser run smoother. We'll go step by step, starting with the quickest solutions first and ending with the settings that can make a big difference over time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, restart Google Chrome completely. Close every Chrome window so the browser is fully shut down, then open it again. This can clear temporary memory usage and remove small glitches that may be causing Chrome to use more RAM than normal. Sometimes the simplest fix is the one that works best, so it's always worth trying this first. Next, restart your computer. Click the Start menu, select Power, and then choose Restart. Restarting Windows clears RAM, refreshes background processes, and gives your system a clean start. If Chrome has been open for a long time, or if your PC has been running for days without a reboot, this step can make a noticeable difference. Now let's check your Chrome extensions. Open Google Chrome, click the three dots menu in the top right corner, then go to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Here, you'll want to look through everything you have installed. Disable or remove any extensions you do not use regularly. A lot of extensions can quietly increase memory usage in the background, even when you're not actively using them. If you don't need it, it's better to turn it off. After that, enable Memory Saver in Chrome. Click the three dots again, go to Settings, and then look in the left menu for Performance. Turn on Memory Saver. This feature helps Chrome use less memory by reducing resources for tabs that are not active. It's especially useful if you keep lots of tabs open while working, studying, or browsing all day. Once it's enabled, Chrome can automatically free up memory from tabs you're not currently using. Another easy fix is to close unused tabs. If you have lots of tabs open at once, Chrome will naturally use more RAM. Go through your tabs and close anything you don't need right now. Even closing a handful of inactive tabs can instantly reduce memory usage and improve performance. If you want to keep a page for later, consider bookmarking it instead of leaving it open. Finally, disable background apps in Chrome. Click the three dots, go back to Settings, and then open the System section in the left menu. Find the option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed and switch it off. This stops Chrome from continuing to run processes after you close the browser, which can help free up system resources and reduce unnecessary memory usage on Windows. So to recap, if Chrome is using too much memory, try restarting Chrome, restarting your PC, disabling unnecessary extensions, turning on Memory Saver, closing unused tabs, and switching off background apps. These are simple changes, but together, they can make Chrome feel a lot lighter and more responsive. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.